This is the Jalapeno Cucumber Margarita. That's right, we try to get as much in one glass as we can. Okay, notice you're using lime zest and salt. Okay, coarse salt, rim with lime, and then you stick it in that, and so now you have a mixture of the coarse salt and lime zest on there. So, cucumbers, jalapenos, you know what we can do, right? Little agave nectar, you know what this means, right? Time to muddle. We're gonna squeeze those bad boys, get all those juices out, okay? Really beat that up, okay? You gotta beat it up, homeboy. Put your name on it. Ha! Ice in there, come here with some tequila. Fresh squeezed lemon juice. Watch that bad boy flow. Shake, 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 shake. Ice in a glass, drop in some cucumbers, some more cucumbers, okay? Then pour in our mix, okay? Wow, delicious, gorgeous looking drink. Put a little cucumber slice on the side, and there you have it, all right? Do it for all your margarita needs. You know where to come, Tipsy Bartender, we got you covered.